IRNT, guys, getting a little pop. Anyone still in the IRNT? From that 2750, take some profits, guys and girls. Good morning, my Benzinga people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Shana Tova. Happy holidays, everybody. All right, we are watching IRNT. Been out with 35 cents. All right, that's okay. Jim got 9 cents. Glad to see you back on Benzinga. Not a problem, Rita. Don't sweat it. All right, we're watching Myrna early. We got levels down at 403 and change. Maybe we'll get a fall from moving average trade right out of the gate. Wait. Last week was our boot camp, Dylan. So boot camp is when I teach my entire course live. And we don't have any visitors during that week. It was a rousing success. I think we made money every day. We learned a whole bunch. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Keep our eyes on Neo. Guys and girls, I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this market today. Just so everybody knows. It's Jewish holiday. It's the last vacation week. We'll see what we get. Saba's on our radar if we spike down a little bit from here. So we got some levels in all the stocks that you see up there. Those are all just markers. If the stocks get to those levels, we'll start taking a peek at them. Can't see us getting more than an hour of trading today, to be quite honest with you. But we'll see. We'll see. Thank you, Diane. BBIG. Take a look. If I can get the right symbol up. Yeah, breaking out a little bit. Again, when I look at stocks like this, BBIG, you like the stock, you like the story, you buy a little, you put it away. Not for a day trade. But it looks great. Looks great on every chart. Yeah, Myrna's bouncing, of course. Myrna's first move is probably up $5, right? OAST. MDB. Wow. All right, Jazz. I mean, we have a level at 526 in MDB, right? That would be up $20 if you want to mess a little bit. I know this is a tough stock, so if you're going to do it very, very small. But 526 is a level. It's up $10 from where it is right now. I am long Neo at 40.50. All right. Do I see an exit point? You got a little resistance at 41.50. It depends on whether you're in it for a trade or to hang. If we could ever get above 42, it looks much better on the daily and the weekly. So that's a couple of spots. I wouldn't let it turn into a losing trade now. Again, Myrna's just a marker for now, Chris, so don't even worry about a stop order. I don't think it's going in that direction anyway. Certainly doesn't appear that way, does it? Market. We are a little bit short the market. We started last week buying a little VXX. Very, very small. We just think sometime in the next month or two, we might get a little poop out in the market. I think our average is right about where it's trading now. Morning. Good morning, or RKLB. Oh, wow. This thing just Rocket Lab just took a rocket ship to the upside. All right, let it settle in. See what we get. I don't know if we could short it, but gets up to 19. That would be a decent short. They're off. They're off. Of course, look at Myrna, guys. What did I say? First move was probably up $5. Exactly what happened. Wackadoodle. SoFi? Yeah, we're in SoFi long term. Our average is $14.18. We've been trading around it very nicely. Guys, how many of the rooms still have SoFi? If this thing gets near 16, we take a little more profits, all right? Yeah. Good. Excellent. You average right around down with me, guys? Ooh, IRNT is getting a smackdown. Ooh. IRNT. All right. We just did a tiny little marker here at 25.90. Let's see what the next move is. This thing could get halted, so let's see what happens. I'm not in a hurry. It was just a marker. Bloom is off the rose sometimes in these things. The next move we got is really around 2176. That's why we don't run into these things with any size whatsoever. Maybe we can get a far from moving average trade. It's got a nice spread. So let's see what happens. Yeah, SoFi we're doing well in. And if you bought a little tiny IRNT, if it just gets back to break even, just get out. See what happens. PDD bouncing. What's 1397, Greg? Let's look for a stretched out RSI and IRNT. Let's put a little marker down at 24. Again, marker, guys. We'll wait till we get a far from moving average trade before we jump in this thing. Not in a hurry. Holy Myrna. Wow. Up 424 would have been a little short in that thing. Look, it looks like Myrna's certainly setting up for an early trend trade, right? So maybe around 412. We look to take a little shot in that one early. Yeah, guys, I think, look, I'm going to take a little profits in SoFi. 1626 is daily, and then we start filling a gap in this thing. So 1626, take a little profits if we get anywhere near that. SPY dropping. Yeah, a little bit. All right. OPAD. Whoa. All right. I don't think I'd short OPAD. It's definitely setting up for a better buy than sell. Let's see if we get a far from moving average in IRNT, guys. Yeah, Spotify got upgraded and had a bunch of good news this morning. 266.50 could be a little short in the Spider-Man. In Spotify, 266.50 if it goes fast. What's Match.com doing? Again, guys, just relax. Ooh, Match, guys. All right, let's buy a little Match. What is it? 156.25 Match with a stop. Dollar stop, but I like it down there. 156.25. That's off a moving average trade down there too. Match, good order, 156.25. Small risk. That would be a far from moving average trade too. All right, let's see if we get to 24. We almost got a far from moving average in the IRNT now. Let's see what happens if we get to 24. DLO. Let's see, we can cancel this Myrna stuff. Sava. Ah, come on, go down, Match, not up. Don't go up, go down. Yeah, IRNT's trying to bounce. Yeah, it's a wackadoodle one IRNT. Oh, come on, Match, really? Couldn't get the smackdown? I kind of tried to bounce off the pivot point. Made $1 in what? Neo? Excellent. Nice job. Perfect. NVIDIA, my favorite stock in the world. All right. I mean, we got nothing until 224 in NVIDIA, which I would like if we got one in that direction. Cancel that Myrna. Sava. I hate you Match.com. Dada. No volume in Dada. I don't see anything. MVST. This is a blast from the past. That's another one. It's a lottery ticket if you like MVST. Otherwise, I wouldn't trust it. Yeah, I mean, IRNT got you out of break even up at that 25.70, whatever it was. It's fine. Coinbase. All right. Yep. Coinbase pooping a little bit. 271 is a spot in coin, guys. 271. If we spike down, Futu. Whoa, what do we got in Futu, guys? Now, got a little short around 113.73, which we came close to the first time, right? Yeah, I agree, Alex. But let us know when you're going to jump in, Alex, please. Man, space has been so disappointing, huh? I mean, it had one good day, and then it's just been racked. That gets around, I don't know, 22, 21. I might look for moving average. Yeah, a bunch of people bought Netflix 600 calls for this week. I think that looks good. Spotify, 259. I think we just smacked that. Ooh, to the penny. Good call on Spotify, Kurt. Yeah, Kurt just posted the Spotify at 259. Very nice. Take a buck. See what the next move is. Hello, Tofu. You're out for $1? Okay, good. We ain't getting matched. Man, that would have been nice. So Spotify, guys, just so to clarify what the trade was, and I wouldn't have done it because it was way too early for a trend trade. But, you know, it got down to 259, perfectly held that level, just gave you a $2 trade. Very nice. Very nice. Tesla. I wanted to buy some 800 calls in Tesla for this week, right? We talked about it in the room earlier this morning. The stock looks great again. I mean, it looks great again. Nice flag on the daily. Now we're popping up. I like Tesla. It looks really good. Myrna. So I'd buy some Tesla on a pullback. Holy Myrna. Jeez Louise. Yeah, Myrna, 424, a little shortsky. I like it, guys. Yes. 424.30, small. You know to stop. Give it some room. 424.30. That would be $10 above the moving average. PDD breaking out. Oh, wow. PDD got to 104. Did we just miss Myrna, guys? Really? I think we missed Myrna by 2 cents, guys. Went straight down $2. Say it ain't so. Got the 424.08 for a $2 trade. Can it? Doesn't matter. We didn't get it anyway. That was the trade of the morning, guys. We missed it by 26 cents. It went down $3. Baba? Yeah, maybe 172.60, Baba. That's down $1.50. Well, why would you get out of all the spot? If you got in on a trend trade, Kurt, right? Sell half, let the rest go. Oh, I hate you, Myrna. I hate you with a passion. That was our trade for the day. Just get out of that IRNT if anybody's still in it. I got you. It didn't really hit the pivot point, though. It missed it by a couple of pennies. FCUV halted. Hood. Yeah, Hood almost got to 42.80. Wow. Here we go, FCUV. All right. Seeing if it's shortable. Of course not. Well, guys and girls, certainly would have made our morning if we got a little Myrna up there, right? Went down $4. All right. I can't make the stocks go to our levels, right? Yeah, not a short though, AMC. This is only up 50 cents here. Looks like a better buy, AMC. I think AMC could see 50 also, right? I mean, it's starting to round up again, but this does it all the time. It goes to 46, 47, 48, and then it craps out. But stock looks great on the chart, daily and everything else. I mean, 50 calls for this week are $2. So somebody thinks it's going there. That's expensive for something expiring in a few days. Expensive. Sava. You're a bag holder in which one, Trent? Yeah, I mean, Sava looks like a better buy now, right? Could have been a little short if we spiked up to that 50.27, but kind of hanging here. Question is, do we want to buy Myrna if we get a big enough pullback? I say the answer is yes. What do we got? 413.20 Myrna. Yeah, I like it. I don't think we're going to see it, but I like it. Yeah, definitely want to be long Myrna if we get a pullback. SPRT. That's another one that people got crushed in. 2025 SPRT could be a little spot to start a little buy. 2025 and SPRT. I like it. UPST, my favorite stock in the world. This one getting stretched to the upside again. It's certainly starting to, man. Wow. Weekly's probably really stretched. Look at a weekly in this. We're almost 60 points above the moving average in UPST. It's getting there. 262 is a little short in UPST, guys. Spread isn't even horrible in this thing. $262 UPST. SoFi. What are we doing? Nice. Guys, let a little SoFi go up here, okay? We're up almost $2. So let a little go. If we get above 16.26, we're into the gap, and I think we got a nice, but we already got a beautiful swing trade. But guys, let a little go up here, 25%, okay? Let's take some profits in SoFi, please. Myrna. Well, it's actually 413.80 in Myrna. I wouldn't worry about either of them. Let's wait. Well, you know what? We got 414.50 and 413.80 in Myrna, small. That's the trend. 414.50, 413.80. 414.50. That is the 9. That'll be down $10. Stock's $6 from our pivot point, guys. Ugh. Visa. Little messy Visa now, but setting up for a better buy. Yes. Market never goes down, right? Crazy. Yeah, VIX's up a tiny, tiny bit. Tiny bit. You're a bag holder in SPRT? Is that what somebody said? Ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Now, we're going to have a whole, we're having a big webinar on Thursday where we're going to talk about all the meme stocks and how not to get caught in any of them. Yeah, Spotify looks okay. Tesla Basin. Yes. Yep, Tesla looks fine, guys. Again, it looks great. I had some people who were caught in Tesla 740 when it went all the way down, and we said, just hang out. We like it. Yeah, I like AMC. AMC could be a trend trade now, guys, on a pullback. 45.60. That's a nice uptrend starting now. Myrna's coming in a little bit. Okay, so Myrna, we got 414.50 and then 412.50. It's actually 414.80. Hold on. Myrna. Doing Myrna very small, guys. Okay. You know this stock is wackadoodle. $413.80. Bought a little at 413.50. I'm going to add at 413.80. Again, keep it small. And then we got 412.40 Myrna. 412.40. Keep Myrna small. 412.40. All right, after 412.40, we'll have a little stop in Myrna. Average is 413.96. Start selling some guys at 414.50. Get there. Give it a minute to percolate. I know. Literally just missed the 65. Well, let's see if we get it now. Give it one more minute. Pull a little at 414.50. Let's go 415.40 if we go in that direction, guys. 415.40. We couldn't get the 412.40, right? All right, so our average is 413.96. Let's give it 1 minute. I know the 65 was perfect. All right, well, we took 50 cents out of it, so we'll have a 50-cent stop now. 413.40 stop, guys. 413.40. Then we'll look lower. 413.40. Let's raise the stop up to 414 now. 414. Now we'll lock in a little profit no matter what. Very choppy. And out. 415.40, guys. Out. Damn, we couldn't get the 65. Ugh! We missed that 65 by a penny, guys. That would have been a home run. Major home run. All right, whatever. We got a couple of bucks. Not the end of the world. Baba. Wow, Baba looked like crap. 177.11, Baba short. Yeah, you take your profits, Joseph, up at the 415 range. Good. DKNG. Donkey Kong's a better buy than sell. On a pullback, I like Donkey Kong. That looks good. I know it's not Donkey Kong. DraftKings. Any? I don't know. Any is a lottery ticket. If you like it, you buy some, you put it away. Gosh, we could have been aggressive in Myrna. Look at that, guys. We literally missed it by 5 cents. We had 412.40 out. We would have had like a 413 average and got $2.50 on it. All right, everybody in the room, take a little profits in SoFi, guys. I wanted you to sell at least 25% up there. We almost got a $2 profit on it. Okay, please. Edit. Nestor, what are you doing here? Get out of here. Very happy with Myrna. Good, Robert. Edit. I like the trend trade. And 72.30 is a short. Yes. Spotify. All right. I mean, Spotify just hit the trend at 260. If you grab a little, have a stop. Myrna, Amazon. I'm new. Is this every day at this time? Tim, I am here, unless I'm on vacation, which I am this week. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday, we do the whole opening from 9:30 to 11. And Wednesday, we're here from 10:30 to 11. Myrna. Cancel edit. So short. Myrna's kind of just hanging now. Let's wait for a big move. But yeah, double topping Myrna works. Neo, I think, is a better buy on a pullback. I'm not crazy about Neo, though, right here. You know, you took $1 out of your trade. For those who were in it earlier, that's nice. Viacom. Viacom was a meme stock at one point, right? Didn't this thing go to like $130 or something? 101. All right, look, it looks better. Viacom now. Again, it's in a nice uptrend. If you get a pullback to the trend line, it's good. Market coming in a little more. All right, let's see where we are in the market, guys, daily. Let's see where we are. 450, 150. So 450.70 is the first test of the 9 EMA on the daily. I mean, that's just a 9. 450.70, and then we got 449. So 450.70 is the first little nervous level, maybe. Maybe. VIXY, we're in the money now. I say we hang. I say we hang. Myrna coming back down. Oh, yeah, look at this. Nice. I don't know. 408.50 is what? Double bottom? And then we got 407.11, which we really like, right? Myrna's wackadoodle, man. Stock's down $13 from the freaking high. Insane. Well, I definitely like 407.20 in Myrna. Maybe we can try a little at the double bottom. Has it been 30 minutes? I'm going to put out 407.20. That's probably a spot to be aggressive, guys. Then we're down, what, $17? Get the hell out of here. I want to talk about a wackadoodle stock, right? Roblex, I wouldn't say is a trend because we spiked up and spiked down. Sebastian. You know? And this is why we trade, guys and girls. This is why we trade. This is what we do. Right? Anyone who didn't sell Myrna for $1.50 or $2 profit, you're holding a bag now. We're traders. Everything we do is based on technical analysis. I'll give Myrna $1.50 from 407 and change. We're not going to get there, though. We are not going to get there. Told you all in MVST. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I said MVST is, you know, it's a lottery ticket if you like it. It's not, for us, it's not really a great day trade. But now it's setting up for a nice little trend. So if we pull back to 1050, you can grab a little. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get Myrna, guys, unless the market really crushes from here. Airbnb. Again, this one looks like a better uptrend. All right, maybe around 159.40 is the trend. So everything we do is based on technical analysis, guys. All the lines and stuff you see in our charts is actually telling us where to make our trades. The technical analysis we use is a 9 EMA, a 15, a 65, and a 200, all exponential moving averages. Then we have our pivot points and our relative strength. And that's it. And that's what we use to make our trading decisions. And what we're doing all day long is putting up chart after chart after chart and looking for spots where our technical analysis tells us to buy and sell our stocks. I don't know if I'd go 259 in Spotify, but I love 256.30, right? That's down $6 from where we just were. And every time we make a trade, for those of you who are just joining us, it's all about putting the odds in the favor of that trade working. And we will not make a trade unless the odds are in our favor of it working. It doesn't mean it's always going to work. That's why we have stop orders. But I think we're over 80% for the year in our day trades. Because we're patient and we're disciplined. Dix, I'm sorry I missed it. Oh, sorry, guys. Where were we in DKS when it hit our pivot point? $3 from where it is right now, right? So again, look at the technical analysis, everybody who's joining. That's resistance. When a stock is going up, hits a pivot point, that's resistance. We want to short. Got barely above that, went down $3. Myrna would have been the trade of the morning. I mean, we missed this by 36 cents. It went down $11. Technical analysis. Right? Futu. Daily is 117.63 in Futu. Ah, great eyes, Stu, because we got nothing on a 5-minute, right? So let's go. Daily, 117.64. So we have to learn how to navigate our charts in different time frames to find other levels to buy and sell stocks. I love it. If we get there, Stu, let me know if we get close. All this stuff we teach you at Wall Street Global Trading Academy in our course, where you get continued mentorship every Thursday night. Talk about it before we get out of here. My private trading room that you're seeing right now, you know, I have 100 and something people in the private trading room. That is closed at the moment. I just don't have room for anybody else. But when I come back next week, I will let you guys come in for a free trial next week. But the actual trading room itself is shut down right now because we have full capacity. But next week, when I get back from vacation, I'll invite my Benzinga family in to hang out for 5 days for free. All right. Doku. I got you, Stu. Doku, again, I'm looking for technical analysis, right? Now, this is in a downtrend Doku. So the short is up at 307, and the first spot I would buy it is 297. That's what my charts are telling me to do. If I go a little longer daily chart, you know, it looks fine on a daily. A little messy, but looks fine. We do options, guys. We do swing trading. We had a good option we had a couple of good options last week, right? A couple of good ones. Deer far from moving average, sorry. Deer is $5 away from the moving average. We are getting there, yes. Yeah, we had some good options trades. Well, Deer, I mean, 371, guys, that'll be down $8. So let's get a little marker. And we know Deer can be wackadoodle, right? But 371, that is our pivot point. It'll be $8 from the moving average. So I think we can start a little trade there. And then we'll try to get the far from moving average trade. 371. GRWG. GRWG. Let's take a peek. 31.50. So whenever anyone asks me for a stock, first thing I do, put up the 5-minute. I'll go right to the daily to get a little bigger picture. Daily, the stock looks weak. Net. Got a little bit at 31. That doesn't work. 30.50 could be a little spot to buy a little GRWG. Get better, Prosper, please. What's 27.50? Cancel Myrna with bounced, right? Yeah. Julian, what's 27.50? What stock? Spotify? No. UPST, yes, guys. Small short UPST 262. UPST 262. Small short because this one's wackadoodle. That would be really stretched out. It might be time to buy some puts in UPST, guys. This thing is, look at the weekly chart in this thing. I mean, we're almost 100 points above the weekly average. Getting close. Deer daily is 369.60. I love that. I don't think we're going to see it, but that would be nice. Futu. Maybe a better buy at 117.60. No way, Jose. Ugh. I am not buying a stock after it goes up $3 from here. That's a short. And if you think it's a better buy at 117, you should be long right here at 114. Yes, it is a short. Yes. Deer bounced. Myrna bounced. Nicely double topping Myrna. The overall market, yeah, I mean, we're short the market a little tiny bit overall. Again, you know, this not a problem in the spiders until we break 450, 70, and then 449. You know, this is a daily chart of the spiders. It's just been so strong. Again, I don't think we're getting a crash or a correction. I just think we're a little overdone up here. The 9 on the weekly is 7 points from here. So one person's opinion, I think we're getting a little overdone to the upside. Myrna, my daily EMA on Deer is 376.30. Let's look. It might be below it. I don't know. Nah, daily and Deer should be 365, guys. Someone check your charts, please. 365 should be the daily. 364.50, guys. Daily and Deer. Let's make sure we're on the same page. Yeah. 369.80 is weekly. Yes. Sava looking to break out. Let's take a peek. Okay. Yeah, I would not be short Sava. Let's see if we can sit in this range a little bit more and then break out, right? But yes, I agree, JJ. Sava looks like a better buy than sell. I would not be shorting it. Again, I like to see a little consolidation before we just rip up, but the next real resistance is 53. So if you're going to buy the breakout, do it small, have a stop order. But it's got room to 53. Yep. IRNT. Yeah, it's a little spready, IRNT. We had 24 out there earlier. Got to 23. The bloom's off the rose in this thing. I'd rather be short this thing than long now, and we can't short it. So General Motors, not a stock we're going to trade for a day trade. It hardly moves. But looks a little better buy than sell right now. GM, yes. NQ, never heard of it. What it is, BGRY. BGRY, this thing looks horrible. Do not like that in any way, shape, or form. Negative. And guys, look, you know, I'm giving you a 2-second synopsis. Well, Triple N is manufacturing. Caterpillar is probably going to be doing the same thing as Triple M, right? Same chart, I'm assuming. That's what's dragging the market down today. I don't know. Maybe something's going on with the infrastructure bill. But again, this stock looks like a short. I'll go right to the daily. See what we got. We just broke the daily at 189.80. And it's got room down to 185 Triple M now. Netflix, did it hit the 600 today? Yeah, look at Netflix. I mean, this thing is just strong like bolt. Right? Another one that's getting a little stretched. But 600 calls that were purchased last week are really paying off now. Again, this is $50 above the moving average. Let's put it this way. I am not starting an investment in Netflix up here. I don't like to go more than weeklies, Tom, when something really gets stretched out. But these are very expensive. I mean, we'll look. I don't like to go more than weekly. MATX. What's MATX? Yeah, this thing looks like a great trend trade too. I would not be short MATX. I'd be a buyer on a pullback. Not really far from moving average. Look, Matan, we have the 80 RSI, right? But we're not even $1 above the moving average. Okay? Not even $1 above. Cancel those orders for now. There ain't nothing happening there. Let me look at the UPST options quick. We're trading at 258. It's not horrible, these things. These are 3 days. Yeah. They're going to be expensive going out any further than 3 days. You know, I'd be looking 240, 230, and they're expensive. Baba, a trend trade, Boeing, SQ, Roku, and NVAX, far from moving average. Let's look. Not yet, NVAX. Getting there, though. That's a nice bull flag, right? Looks like it's going higher. Baba Booey, Fafa Fohai. Hey, Baba just pulled back to the 9. Yeah, it's kind of a trend trade now. Yes. Okay. Looks good. Roku, been getting the crap smacked out of it lately, right? Not really, not horribly. Weekly looks bad. Yeah, you know, we got room down to 310 in Roku. I'm not saying it's going there, but it's right in between all my moving averages now. I see nothing little longer term in that I like. Riot's going to trade with Bitcoin. Never really gives us much for a day trade. Boeing. Again, Boeing looking really weak again. Wow. I mean, Boeing can test these weekly lows again. Right? 205, 206. That looks like crap too. Burner, Bo Burner. I can't. Jim, I wouldn't buy Myrna until a retest of the 65. It's just too choppy right now. You know, look at it. It's all over the place. I don't trust it anywhere. Yeah. Starbucks is in a downtrend. Sitting on the daily, but I don't put too much credence in that because it's only down $2 to hit it. So, and the weekly is a mess. Kind of sitting in the middle of everything. Hold on. Excuse me. Crowd hitting pivot. Let's take a peek. All right. Looks like we tested it a couple of times, though, right? Exponential is better for us, Trent. That's just what we use. Yeah, I don't know about crowd here, guys. Let's see what the market does. You know, the market's coming in. Crowd don't hold this. We got room to 261. So, thank you, guys. Give me levels in SQ. Again, are we liking stocks coming in now? What is the market doing, guys? Yeah, we're starting to make new lows again, guys. So, I don't know. I think I'd be a little careful on the buy side here. All right? Yeah, I guess if it got there fast, Alex, it would have been all right. SQ on the pivot, but now it's taking its sweet you-know-what time. Right? That was a Fauci sneeze. That's funny. That is funny. We're starting to lose volume in the market already, guys and girls. We can see that, right? Did everybody in the room take some profits in SoFi? UPST. All right, what was it? 262.20. UPST. 262.20. Yeah. That missed it by like 50 cents. Let's wait now. Again, we want speed. I want stuff to rip right up to our levels. This stock is so freaking strong. Spread's not horrible in it. I'm having a great day with KPLT and AHHR. Yeah, even stuff for the long term, we take profits. Solar. This way we can buy it back when it goes down. Look, I can tell you what we did in SoFi exactly. Okay. We were originally long this at $15.64. Earnings came out. We sold $16.50 and $17.50. Got out of the trade. Then we bought it back at $14.20 right here. Okay. Now we're selling some for a $2 profit. I'm not saying sell it all. We sell 25%. Buy it back in if it goes down again. That's what we do. I still have IPO in this. I have a lot of stock in this, a lot. It's one of my biggest holdings. And I'm trimming it because that's what you do. You trim. Even in things you start to think you're going to hold on to forever. Oh, I don't know. I have to go look. Did we go that far out? I didn't think we went that far out. I might. Wow, look at this, guys. It hit our pivot at 262.20. I'm not crazy about this thing. You would have had to get in real quick and got $1 out of it. Very, very strong. Didn't we buy the 15s? I thought we buy the 15s, Kay. Are you still in them? I thought we bought 15 calls. I have a rule. If I bag hold the stock, I can't put any more capital at risk, so I haven't been trading. Yeah, I hear you, Trent. And one thing anybody who ever trades with me is going to be holding the bag if they listen to what we do. Yeah, I mean, you know, UPST gave you $1, guys and girls. 262.30. It just hit 261.30. There's $1 on the short. Again, technical analysis. Spectacular. I mean, it's still a much better buy than sell, but look at the trade. Right? 262.30 was our spot to short it. Gave you $1. IRNT trend trade. IRNT. We can't short IRNT, at least I can anyway. Clove again, guys. I like Clove. Not for a day trade, but we mentioned it this morning, early. If you like the stock, you buy some. It's a nice lottery ticket. Early this morning, we mentioned it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Oh, the 17 calls. Right. Where are they trading, guys? I forgot about that. Myrna. Double top. Yes, I like Myrna double top. If we go anywhere near that. Yes. Plus, guys, I think the market can, have a little pullback here. So that's why I don't mind taking some profits on the longer term stuff. That's all. Yeah, all right, Pete. Ain't going anywhere yet. StockX very strong, though, I'll tell you that. VIXY, guys. Let's take 50 cents on some VIXY. All right. You know this thing's built to go to zero, so we make 50 cents, we start selling some. Our average is 25.26. We start selling some at 25.76. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Last week was the first week we got short the market in a long, long, long time. We just felt it was ready for a pullback. All right, double top and Myrna is good. It's good. DTST. UPST. Yeah, I mean, I think UPST is still a buy, but again, technically it gave a nice $1.50 trade. That's all. MAT meme stock from way back when, I think. Yep. And no, thank you. I have a lot of people who have taken the course and who have come to the room that are stuck in some of these ridiculous stocks at ridiculous prices. And we keep everybody away from doing that. And we trade them, guys. We trade GameStop all the time. We trade AMC all the time. I'll do options in them. But it's just not something that we get involved at the highs of all these things. Well, Prosper, there's nothing to get emotional about. Look, at the beginning, I know it's very difficult. But everything we do is black and white. It's based on our technical analysis. The better traders become robots after a while. I'm going to make a trade. It's going to work or it's not. I'm either going to lose a little money or I'm going to make more than I was willing to lose. That's it. And if we make on a lot more than we lose, it's all about being consistent. I'll tell you one thing, you have to do every single trade that sets up because that's what puts the odds in your favor. And look, guys, what did I say this morning, right? We'll get maybe an hour's worth of trading. Look at the volume and everything already. Look at the volume in Myrna, guys. Look at this. Gone. It's going to be like this in every single stock that we're looking at now. Every stock. I don't care what it is. Look at the volume. It's gone. INIRNT. Even a stock like IRNT, guys, this morning. Just this morning. Okay? Look where this thing traded this morning. Someone paid $42 in IRNT this morning. That's a nightmare. $42, right? Now where's it traded? 24. Insane. That's what we keep people away from getting caught in. AMC. What are my thoughts? A lot of people, yeah, please, Reese. This stock, all right, I'll never say never. I'll give you the technical analysis. I like AMC right now. It looks good on a daily chart. Is it going to $1,000? Not in your lifetime. And I hope you live to 150. I like the stock now. Technically, it looks good. I would be in 50 calls if I was going to trade it any way, shape, or form. I don't like to buy the stock. Yeah, Clove is a lottery, guys. I like Clove. It looks good. You want to buy a little on a pullback, you hold on to it. Marin, same thing. I would never day trade Marin. No, thank you. No, thank you. Wish is another one. Meme stock that everybody got caught in that was going to 1,000. All right. Look at Wish, guys. Okay. There's another one. How high was this stock? I don't know. $15, $16. It went to $6. No. Thank you. Edit. Long on trend and BBIG. Let's look. Yes, got it. Edit. Yeah, you can grab a little edit on the trend. 70-70. How's the spread in edit? How is the spread in edit? It's a little choppy, but I would wait for the 15 and edit. 70-70 is good. BBIG. No, 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 and no. And no. Nothing to do. You got a fib on edit at the 15? All right. Let's do it. I like edit 70-70. I'm good with that, Kent. 70-70 edit. Done. SPRT. This is another one that people got caught in and got absolutely crushed. Right? 50-cent stop and edit. That's all we need. Yep. $60 SPRT. How you feeling now? Ugly. I don't like 1850. I like the stock. That's it. I don't like it at all. Sold a Tesla 675 put for this week. I like that. What kind of premium you got, Sharon? I think that's easy money. $2. I like it. I like it. Plus, you got a short week, right? So what Sharon did in this, guys and girls, a little hard to explain, but she sold a put in Tesla, a $675 put, which the stock would have to go down to here. So what Sharon's doing is saying, I don't think there's any way that's going to happen. and she sold a naked put. She'll collect $200 for every option that she did, as long as Tesla doesn't go below $675 by the end of the week. The risk is, if it goes below 675, she will be long the stock. But I like that. It's a calculated play. The stock looks fantastic, and I don't think it's going down 100 points the rest of this week. We do options. We talk about it in our in the Wall Street Global Trading Academy course. Yeah, I mean, I just think UPST can go higher from here, so I would wait a little bit. Yeah, I like that too, Sharon. Look, it's expensive. That's the thing. Okay, when you sell that put, you have to have $75,000 in buying power. $70,000 in buying power. Because God forbid you get put to stock, you got to have the buying power. All right, look, let's have solid consolidate up here, guys and girls. All right? Don't jump in and buy it now. It's not breaking out. It's not doing anything. It's dead. What do you get on 650s, Mike? You couldn't got much of a premium on the 650s. Maybe $1. Edit? Yeah, we just put it out. I like edit. Yes. Let's give it a couple of minutes. AMD. No, AMD's in a little downtrend now. Looks good on the weekly, you know, if we get a pullback to buy a little bit. But not a day trade. Baba. Baba Booey, Fafa Fohai. 172.90. Love it in Baba. Yes, 172.84. Look, if you got a little on a 65 here, you have a stop. See what happens, but I love 172.90, Dana. Yes. US Steel versus Nucor. I don't know. We're not really here to talk about long-term stuff, guys and girls. US Steel, I see nothing. Sitting in the middle of all moving averages, a little better on the daily. Nucor. Listen, same chart. You know, if you're asking me which one I like better, you know, I think Nucor is a better company. But again, Myrna Smakadaka? Not really. I mean, look, Myrna pulled back to the 90 EMA at 416.85. Missed it by 5 cents and then went up. Baba double bottom. Let's look. Well, I kind of like the level that we talked about in Baba, 172.85. Let's put that out. I like that. 172.85, Baba. It was a day of, not a day, but the Myrna trade would have set us all up. Yeah, Myrna just pulled back to the 9 and ripped. Neo. Dead. I don't like Neo for a trade. So for everybody who's joining us on Benzinga, just so everybody knows, okay, our concentration is on day trading. We'll do that sometimes with options. We will do swing trading, but we're looking to get in and out of trades all day long. Profit targets can be anywhere from multiple dollars to 25 cents, depending on what the trade that we get in. That's what we're concentrating in here all day long. Every time we put up a chart, we're looking for an opportunity to trade. Yeah, I mean, BIGC, again, look at this beautiful uptrend. Right? So when I put up a stock like that, I'm certainly not thinking short. I'm thinking buy. But we go to our daily chart, and we have our 200 EMA at 64.20. That's resistance. So I would short that if we got to 64.20, and it would be really stretched out. For now, it looks like better buy. It's cheap for the amount of knowledge he gives and the notes, not to mention the Thursday mentorship for life. Yeah, listen, guys. Made my goal in Myrna this morning, so I've been hanging out and learning. Thank you, David. You made me a much better trader. Thank you, Diane. Diane, you're into Thursday nights with us too, right? You purchased the course, I think. I think you're with us. Yeah, guys, Wall Street Global Trading Academy, all right? This is the best course I've ever done. There's nothing even close to it. It's not that expensive. You get my mentorship for life with this. Let me show you guys. Anyone who's purchased this course, let's put it this way. We give you a money back guarantee. I've not had one person ask for a refund yet in the 5 months that we're selling the course. Not one. Not one. So this is the course, guys and girls. Let me show you what it entails. This is the members area once you sign up. It's $447. We give a 10% discount for Benzinga peeps. It's over 6 hours of content. 6 hours. Okay, we start with the very basics of the stock market, language, money management, chart basics, and each one you click on is an entire course in itself, using moving averages in depth. Then we get into our 5 trading techniques. We talk about each one of them. Swing trading, options, Bitcoin. One of the greatest things is our Q&A archive, guys. This has every Thursday night meeting. If you miss one, you click on it, you get the whole meeting, whether you're there or not. You know, we have 4 more that we're putting in the next couple of days. So all archived every Thursday night, and this is the best part. Thursday night, guys, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hit that Zoom link. You get my mentorship forever. Forever. Every Thursday night going forward. I think we've discounted it for Benzinga. Let me just make sure. Enroll now. Yep, money back guarantee, 30 days. You don't like it, we give you your money back. Yeah, 10% off compliments of Benzinga. So it's only $447, guys. Trust me when I tell you it'll be the best thing you ever bought as far as learning how to day trade. And you get us every Thursday night forever. Yep. Look, there's 10 people in here who tell you it's the best thing they ever did. This is the second time in a week I hit my goal just after opening with Myrna. Dave, your course was amazing, and this room is awesome. Aha, nice job, Robert. Nice job. Yeah, I mean, a lot of us could have hit our goal this morning if we could have got that Myrna trade, but didn't get there. It happens. Look, one thing we're never going to do is force on a trade, ever. When things set up, we do it. If they don't set up, we're not trading. All right, let's give edit on this pop down. I want to see what the market's doing. Are we coming in more? It's going bouncing now. Yeah, we're bouncing a little bit. No problem is, guys and girls, there is no volume in this market anymore in anything. Barry said the best thing I ever did for my trading. Yeah, I mean, listen. But yeah, I'm going to cancel edit. I don't even like it. No orders for now. I sold MVST at the beginning of the show. It's up 15%. Why'd you sell it? Why would you sell a stock that's in a trend like this, Happy? Why? Right? What do we always tell you? Sell half, follow the rest up, right? Look at that. Do we get access to the room daily? No. My room is something completely separate, guys and girls. No. The private trading room has nothing to do with the course. No. My cousin was bleeding money daily until he bought the course and paid for itself in 1 week. Wow. Oh, you said it, Happy, not sold it. I'm sorry, I missed you. Yep. Match, let's look. Yeah, I know. It's nice. And we had 156.60 out down there, Pete. No, I wouldn't have bought the 150 where you said, because it hit it 4 times. Look at it. It hit it once, it went below. It hit it twice, it hit it 3 times, it hit it 4 times. No. The daily trading room right now is at full capacity, guys and girls. It's a room where I only have a little over 100 people. I don't have 200, 300, 400 people. I keep it very, very small, up close and personal. Right now, there is a waiting list to get in. I'm on vacation this week. So here's what I'll do, guys, okay? When I come back next Monday and do Benzinga, all right? I will give you my personal email, and as I have room in the room, I usually give everyone from Benzinga a trial. everyone, because we're partners. So send me an email over the weekend, dgreen927@yahoo.com. Okay. We'll get that posted. And next week, I'll let you guys come in for a trial. All right. I'm on Benzinga every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We do the whole opening Mondays, the whole opening Tuesdays, and for a half hour on Wednesdays, 10:30 to 11. Thank you, Happy. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Send me an email over the weekend. I'm on vacation this week. I came in to do this for everybody today. Yeah, so send me an email over the weekend. All right. Spiders coming in. Yeah, making new lows in the spiders. Very happy I had no think or swim trades. Yeah, it's been a quiet morning. Now, Edit's not even trading anymore. Vixie, we able to get out of some at 75? I think we got out of some Vixie at 75, right? Nice. Took a 50-cent profit. Very nice. Good. My pleasure, guys. My pleasure. Look, I just don't want the room to become like some other rooms that have 200, 300, 400, 500 people in them. Nobody can get their trades executed. A lot of times when I find with those rooms is some of the guys who run them, and I won't mention any names, are front running their traders by getting into positions before and then telling everybody in the room to follow them. Then you have 500 people buying the same stock. The only one who makes money is the guy who got in the position first. Anytime we do a trade in this room, it is posted before we get in it. Nobody in my room is allowed to post a trade after they've got in it. Nobody cares. VIH is kind of sitting in the middle, not doing anything. Myrna. Yeah, let's put a double top out in Myrna, 424. We like that. I know it's a fact, Brent, because I know some people who do it. And it's just, first of all, it's immoral, borderline illegal, but not something that you're ever going to see from us. I won't mention any names, but there are people out there who do it, especially in low float penny stocks, right? They'll buy 50 or 100,000 shares and then tell the whole room to follow it, and they all get left holding the bag. So, ARQQ halted. Ooh, all right, what, up 50 cents? I don't even know what it is. No borderline about it. Front running is illegal. Yeah, it is. I agree. Clove we mentioned earlier this morning. And again, all stocks like this, Corey, when I see a Clove, when I see an MVST, when I see an MMT, and people ask me about these things, I tell them that it's okay to have some of these stocks in your portfolio. And for long term, you forget about them, you're either going to work or they're not. But it's not something we're going to day trade. I think we just missed Myrna, guys. Again. Let's give it another 30 seconds here. Yes, this would be a double top trade. But I want it to happen right now. Front running is illegal, Solar. Technically. All right, we're in Myrna. Give it room. Try to cover some at 423.50. $423.50, $423.10. I'll give it a buck, guys. Risking $50. That's it. We needed it to pull in right then. Why did I do so many shares? I only wanted to do freaking 25 shares. All right. For so long. Pivot point was a better level. We'll see what happens. We're out. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Out and out. That is a double top, guys and girls. Very nice. Thank you very much. All right, that made everybody's morning, or a lot of people in this room's morning. So again, that was double top, guys. Technical trade. Makes its first high, makes its second high. We short it, and could have got a quick $1.50 out of it. Yes, Happy New Year to all my Jewish friends. Shana Tova. All right, guys and girls, that made our morning, right? It helped anyway. Now, you know, with stock like Myrna, this is probably going to go right back up, but it's just a trade. That's it. It's a trade. We'll look for another level higher. Coin? What happened in coin? You guys got in coin? What did you guys do in coin? What kind of trade was it? I don't see it. Do we have a level on a 15 or a 30? Shana Tova, Shana Tova. The 15-minute. Yeah, but it didn't get there quite. Didn't quite get there. So, guys, when you purchase our course, okay, everything that we're talking about right now, we teach you. Everything. You're going to learn all this in the course. And I'll be with you every Thursday night to help. It just let me lock back in right after you. Oh, that sucks, Joe. Right after we traded Myrna. Also, guys, one of the things I do, okay, I trade very, very small because I get a lot of beginning traders that come to me. I got nothing in DDD, right? So I trade 25, 50, 100 shares because I get a lot of beginning traders, and I don't want them walking into a room and seeing thousands of dollars flying all over on the P&L. There are people in my room who are learning who trade 10 shares of stock at a time. And there are people in my room who are trading that trade thousands of shares of stock every time we make a trade. Just on your comfort level. That's all. And nobody likes a showboat. That is correct. Myrna has been pretty damn good to us, right, for a while. There you go, Bernie. Well, one thing I guarantee will do, Bernie, is stop you from losing money if you listen. If you follow our money management rules. Guaranteed, just our money management rules alone, you'll have a 50% better chance of succeeding in this business. Forget about technical analysis or anything else. Every person in my room and any person that I've ever taught how to do this, okay, will tell you that the money management part of trading, the psychological part of trading, is 50 times harder to get than the technical analysis. Nobody has ever blown up a trading account trading with me that follows our rules, ever. It's impossible to do. Yeah, 227.70 could be a little short in NVIDIA. Yes. Netflix. Netflix is just beautiful. I mean, I think we're getting overdone in Netflix, but it's almost like a safe haven now. Everyone just wants to own Netflix. I mean, we are now 55 points above the moving average. It could be, Jasmine. Let's see what it does. It's only Tuesday, right? A 70 relative strength in Netflix, okay? We want 80 before we get involved in a swing trade, but you want to see, this is relatively, for Netflix, really stretched out. Let's go back and see the last time it had a 70 RSI on the daily. I can't find one, right? Again, we got to, I mean, here it was close. We got to 65, and we had a huge pullback. But here we go. Look at this one. There we had a 76 RSI. We had a gigantic pullback. So we're getting there. We need a couple more upgrades because those guys are always a day late and $1 short. But it is getting stretched out. That doesn't mean I don't even like it long term. It just means the stock is getting stretched out. It's due for a pullback. Period. And the way we'll do it is puts if it keeps going up the rest of the week. I'll check in. Airbnb, just a beautiful uptrend all day. Look at this. You know, we look to get in these trends early. If we could have gotten this trend early this morning, it would have been 160. We're up $2.50. Ooh, how'd that guy get in here? Oh, that's too funny. I love it. NVAX, let's take a peek. NVAX looks like a better buy for the day. Another one might start to get stretched out soon. Not yet, though. I think it will be, Jasmine. We'll keep our eyes on it for the next couple of days. Do you guys manage money like Zach's? I have 500,000 in gains, and I am burnt out but addicted to it as well. No, I do not manage money. No, I know it's shortable, Terry. I don't want to short it now. We'll look for a swing trade if it's up for a couple more days. Everybody in my room manages their own money. But I hear you about the burnt out part. I hear you. This is no, I mean, Doku's hitting the daily at 297 right now. I really love 281 in Doku if we go in that direction. Spiders is hurting you right now. Now it's starting to bounce a little here, Buck, as it always does. Bren, yeah, that's one of the hardest things for everybody when they're trading. Finding the trades. Look, we have a plan for every single trade that we do, right? So it kind of makes it easier. If we're getting in a trend trade, we want to make multiple dollars. Then we have our regular moving average trade where we have profit targets. Base trade, double top, double bottom, far from moving average. We have rules for each one of the trades that we get in, which encompasses anything a stock can possibly do. Yeah, I mean, look, just go to the daily and the spiders, and we kind of, again, we tickled the 9 EMA. That's exactly what we did. 450.70 was the 9 EMA on a daily chart. All we did was pull back from 454 to 450.70. That's it. Nothing. You know, if we go to a weekly chart in the spiders, look how long it's held this trend line. Basically the whole year. It's held this trend line. That's what a bull market does. And, you know, we couldn't even break the 9. That's why I wanted to sell some of our VXX when we had a 50-cent profit in it. Because that's what this thing does. Wow, Mern is flying, UPS flying. Jeez Louise. Now, I told you UPST was going to go higher. There's just nothing here now. Unless we get a fall from moving average trade. No, this hasn't even hit the 9 since 9 o'clock this morning, Pete. I mean, it never gave you a chance to get in a trend. Not once. Not once. And look, Myrna, we made our trade, right? And look what it did now. We took $1.50 out of the trade, and it busted right through. UPS is going higher. Myrna's going higher. Myrna, we're going to short now at 435. That is our next resistance level. That'll be up $7 from where we are right now. No, don't like it, Adam. I mean, you could try it. That would be really stretched there. But you'll probably get a pullback from there. 433. I mean, you're talking $12 above the moving average. I would like it, Adam. Let me know if we get back there. You know, this market has not gone down for more than hardly even a day. I mean, hardly even a day. Alcoa is not a trade. It's not doing anything. CPNG. That's a nice uptrend. Copang. Trying to get above the daily here, too, Copang. So above 3150 in this thing, you certainly have room to 3370. And here's a stock on a weekly chart that went from 45 to 30. Now you're getting a bounce. Perfect. Nice rounding little bounce now. IRNT is flying. IRNT. Wow. Holy crap. It did. This thing just went up $7, IRNT. Why? We can't short it. So maybe it's setting up for a better buy on a pullback now, Mike. It's not shortable. Futu consolidating. Let's look. Riot? No. Riot's only 50 cents away from the moving average, so that's not a far from moving average trade. Futu. Futu, yeah, again, you know, it's a nice little trend, Futu. On the buy side, looks good. Yes, IRNT is definitely Reddit. But even that, you know, we had a shorty up at 29. It just gave you $1.20 off that. It's a wackadoodle stock. Edit 69.16 if quick. Ooh, I like it. Let's do it. Yes. So edit's coming in now. And look how beautiful it was a short of our resistance at 72.39. It's down $4 from there. So where do we like it? 69.20. 69.20. I don't think we're getting that. I think we probably should have just grabbed it off the 65, guys, at 69.63, but let's definitely have out 69.20. Like, yes. My guess is you're going to get a green bar from here. That's my guess, but we'll see. Futu. Again. Yeah, Futu's good trend trade, 113.60. Yes. Again, Neo, I got nothing right here, certainly for a day trade. Neo needs above. Look how it got to this 42 and could not get above it on a daily chart. It's also weekly. So Futu needs to break out above 40. I mean, Futu. Neo needs to break out above 42 to show a little strength. Needs above 42. BTU. Yeah, BTU, Peabody Energy is a nice trend trade. You guys are going to get used to when I talk to you. I mean, look at this stock. It's just in a beautiful uptrend. So when stocks are going up, I want to be long. When stocks are going down, I want to be short. Video. I think we missed the edit, guys, off the 65. You know I hate NVIDIA, Matan. And it's taken forever to get there. So I say pass. No opinion on MMAT, guys. Don't like it. I mean, not that I don't like it. It's just it's a lottery ticket. I don't even think I'd even hit the 65, but that was the spot, guys. Looks like it missed it by like a penny. Let's leave it for another minute. AMD, 2 AMDs just posted. All right, let's look. And you guys tell me, guys. K and Ken. We're coming from 109.30. Do we want to short 109.80? Does that fit our criteria for a regular moving average trade? Okay. Ken? Ah, it's 50-cent move. We don't care. Correct. I sold 1,000 AMC this morning, made a few bucks, and it went up $1.80 more. That happens. It happens. Well, now it's coming in. Maybe you look to buy it back. I would definitely buy it back at 44.75. Love it. AMC, all over that. So you got 45.65 and 44.75. Bren, we use a 9, a 15, 65, and a 200. Exponential. You want to be long AMD? It could be, Jim, but it's got to set up. I certainly don't want to short it. It's only up 30 cents. Why would we want to short it? Negative. Oh, yeah, we have the SoFi 17 calls. Forgot about that. I still have them. All right. Hey, those have a shot, guys. Oh, we have till September 17th. No. When did they expire? September 10th. All right, where did we buy them, guys? I don't know. They had to be 10 cents, 12 cents. Whatever, we're not selling them. Could get the 17 today. What's GSM doing? We have some puts in GSM that we bought. We bought for 5 cents. We sold some at 15 cents, right? Need that to break 8. All right, we bought the SoFis at 10, so we're not making any money yet. But we got all this week. You know, listen, guys, I'll tell you this right now. If we can get SoFi to break this 1626 level, that is the breakout on the upside. So hopefully we can get that. Edit. Didn't quite hit 69.20 yet. There's no volume in this thing either. No volume in anything. I mean, I still would have liked that it there. No, I would have liked it if it went right there, but now it's kind of JD. At least wait till the 15 now, Diane. I would wait till the 15. See what happens. Again, we're just losing volume in everything. There is no volume anymore. Oh, I guess I got edit. I forgot to cancel. All right. We're in edit at 69.20. All right. Let's try to sell a little at 69.40. Ooh. All right. Sold a little at 69.40. I thought I canceled it, but I left it. No big deal. Was anyone in it? If everyone didn't get it, I'm just going to get out too. Oh, you're in it? All right. All right. All right. We sold a little at 69.40, right? All right. Let's see what happens. So we'll try to keep like a 69 stop. We made 20 cents. We'll lose 20 cents. There's just no volume in anything. We have a swordfish on SoFi. What's a swordfish? I don't know what a swordfish is. Is that good or bad? It's like the alligator, only less cool. All right. Well, we should have got a 20-cent profit. It hasn't traded at 69 yet, Edit. PBUM. We're in it. Maybe on a pullback. I don't know what that means. SoFi. Who posted that? What's a swordfish in SoFi? I don't know what it is. All right, I'm putting a little edit out at 69.20. Break even on some. Half of what we got left. 25 shares. What is Ken killing you with? I'm late every trade. Huh? You got to have your orders out there. Come on, guys. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, we need SoFi to clear the 1626 level. All right, sold a little more edit, 69.20. Can't lose money now. Let's see what happens next. Anyone get Spotify? What price, Joe? 257. Yeah, it only broke it by a little bit. Gave you $1. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Looks good. This market's dead, guys. Brent, you got to have your orders in while you're looking at these stocks. What's Myrna doing? I don't know if I trust Myrna all the way up here. I would wait for at least a VWAP, 419. Thank you, guys. Oh, yeah, we're going to be getting out of here in a minute. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Anyone who purchases the course, I will see you guys on Thursday night. Okay? Next week when I come in, I will give you info on the private trading room. Okay, so next Monday, I'll give you info on the private trading room. I'm on vacation the rest of this week. Hey, hey, hey. I'm on vacation. I'm putting the last edit we have out at 69.70. Trying to get 50 cents out of it. Yes, so WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, guys. Come on, buy the course. We'll see you on Thursday night. I'll give you guys all information next week on how to get into the room. And last but not least, guys, let's post this too, Happy. Benzinga, guys. Half the people, at least half the people in my room have Benzinga Pro. Okay? We couldn't trade without it. Honestly. Best scanning service out there, best news service out there. I mean, we could not trade without it. Everybody here, you get a 2-week free trial. It's silly not at least to do the 2-week free trial. Seriously. We could not trade without it. It's just as important to us as our technical analysis is. What up, Aaron?
Not a whole lot, David. How you doing?
How do we get a 2-week free trial? Okay, it is...
just hit this link right here, this pro.benzinga.com, and you'll be able to sign up for that free 2-week trial. No credit card or anything needed. And let us know how you like it. We love feedback on our Benzinga Pro platform.
Right, I'm just posting it in the room for my peeps, Aaron.
Oh, here, I'll put the link in. So
I can copy and paste it?
Yeah, right in this private chat right here on Stream Yizzle.
Myrna's doing a triple Lindy.
David, enjoy your vacation. Where are you headed?
Not sure yet. I might be heading up to New York to see the kiddies. I don't know. It depends on how we feel about what's going on with everything out there. It might just be a staycation.
Yeah, I mean, you're already in a spot where a lot of people go down to vacation. That's just where you
Yeah,
live.
exactly.
All right, man. Well, I'm looking forward to getting back on track next Monday. Obviously, this
Yes.
week was a little wonky with the holiday and with the vacation, but next week we'll be there.
Back on schedule. Happy holidays to everybody. Shana Tova. I will see everybody next Monday morning. All my Benzinga family.
Beautiful. Have fun, David.
All right. Thanks, Aaron.